I don't know. Maybe I needed to do this. Maybe Kyle put that in. Oh, that's cool. Maybe this is like a new format or something. Very cool. Unless I did that by mistake.
Order submit. Target filled.
Good morning, NQ early already hit target. No surprise there. No surprise there. The eggs are egging. Good morning, good morning. I'm going to get on here. I need to open up the other VPS. Keep an eye on that. I don't really need to keep too much of an eye, honestly. Just let it do its thing. I got Santa on. That's what I actually want to keep an eye on. Alright, let's see. Jen. When Jen goes live, I'll get on there. I'm only going to be live until 10 today. Because I need to shower and then get out of the house. I want to do this puzzle that I got. I feel like I sound like such a nerd when I say that. I'm like, oh, I want to do this puzzle. Like what?
Hey, Lolo. All right. It's like...
I'm glad ES hit. Very cool. Do we have any other reports today? If you're new here, I don't think I shared it yet. What is this ads automator? Choose. Let YouTube save. Okay. All right, cool. Let me share this in the group. Put it in the chat.
Connection.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. I forgot it's a no. Oops. That was this connection shit. They need to stop doing that. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Happy Friday. There is a new layout here. I'm really liking it. This, it's like, I don't know, it's really cool. Or maybe I'm just seeing it differently. I'm not sure. I really like it. Thanks, Kyle, for doing the trading time thing. What's up, Lewis? Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Rodney, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hey, Patrick, happy Friday. It is a Friday, October 18th. Oh, shit, today's my brother's birthday. Let me say happy birthday real quick before I forget again. Happy birthday, BFF. I love you. What's up? Good morning, good morning. I have something a little different on for you guys today. I'm actually running Santa. Whoa, this is so different. Kyle, the platform looks so different. I don't know, but I like it. What's up, Big Rod? It's a Friday. I'm so excited. And we don't have much going on this weekend, which I prefer. Like, I like a busy weekend, but I don't like, last weekend we had 4 soccer games and like a family dinner and some other event. I don't like to be like jam-packed. I like to be somewhat busy, but it's not crazy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? slow for the open. That's okay. Oh, I wanted to see if there was any other reports today. No, there's no other reports today. Sometimes we get nervous with the reports because we think, oh, it's like gonna be so crazy. But reports really bring in, yes, Patrick, reports really bring in some great volatility. So then it just allows things to move faster and then not be so boring and slow. You know what I mean? So, yes. We are still running the 50% off special for your first month. So it's $500 for 1 month and then $1,000 every month after that. It gets you 3 different algorithms which have combined probably like 30 strategies. So that's box seats, then it's runner, which is scalper, which is what you see in front of you, and then oracle, which is awesome. ES Oracle has been on fire. There were no overnight trades. ES London, no trades. No trades on RTY overnight. But RTY is a nice one. I'm actually kind of hungry this morning. I had a buffalo chicken wrap last night while my son was playing soccer. When I tell you I smashed that wrap, like typically I'll only eat half of a wrap. I ate the entire wrap. And like buffalo sauce was like dripping down my fingers. You know these people on TickTok now that do like the mukbangs or whatever? I felt like I looked like one of them. Hi, Kevin. I hope you're enjoying your second day off. Kyle will be live from 10:30 to 12:30. I'm only going to be on till 10. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, Kevin, Patrick, Abdul. I want to see those likes. And make sure you subscribe and put that bell on because we go live every day, 9:30 to 12:30, every day on YouTube. Showing you the bot live. It's currently 9:37. I have not gotten in any trades yet on Santa or otherwise. NQ early had a win. Angela, my girl. Hey. Hey, Tina. There's my other girl. Listen, I can always count on my ladies saying hello and good morning. All right, we're sitting at the 450s. If you're one of my students, you know how I feel about this area. So I'm keeping my hand off the trigger, and I am just letting the bots do their thing because we are not in a space that I'm going to manually trade. Aw, thanks, Kevin, and you should because I love getting feedback, especially positive feedback. Hey, Frederick. Fred, were you on the call this morning? I didn't see you. You had stuff to do? Well, even if you missed the student call, I post what I discuss and what the student plays are in the student chat. So even if Frederick wasn't on the call this morning, he still has the ability to see the exact student plays that I'm going to be taking today and that my other students will take. So he will be ready to go. Understood. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Again, I'm not looking to take a trade anywhere in this area. Oh, you were? I must have missed you. I'm sorry. I usually notice you right away. All right, my brother responded. I took care of my sisterly duties of wishing him a happy birthday. The trip to St. Louis is coming up. If you're in BoldBot and you want to come hang out with us and have a free dinner, you gotta book your hotel and get your flight or figure out your transportation. I think that's like 6 of us so far. It was kind of a last minute trip, and it's only for 1 night, but it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get a massage. I already booked an 80-minute massage at the Four Seasons. Like, it's going to be glorious. I need every bit of that $300 massage. But you know what's crazy is like, I busted a Tradeify account yesterday and that cost me 400, and it's like we so easily drop money on
Or-
like
Order submitted.
accounts, trading accounts. All right, Santa. Oh no, this is something else. What? All right, hold on. See, well, we could just leave it on. What? I don't know what this is. It's in a short. Oh, is that new?
Order submitted.
See, and now my Santa. See, that's where the issue's gonna be.
Order
I gotta get on both
order
of these.
canceled.
This is where the issue's going to be. With me wanting to run Santa against other setups. I'm probably going to get back in that short and stick with that.
Order filled.
Where was my target? Like here?
Order submitted.
Only because, see, I'm going to have to turn Santa off. Santa got in a long, and this other strategy got in a short, which is why either you have to have them on separate accounts, or one has to be on micros and one has to be on minis. I just randomly said I was going to run Santa at today's open. I normally don't. What I should do is put Santa on Sim so I could still run it and see it, but it won't affect my other setups. So I'm in the short based off of the other strategy, but Santa is on a nice run. So maybe I could have just stayed out of both. There is resistance here at 87. We'll see if it just wants to plow through that. I want to change my Santa to Sim. Give me 1 second. I'm going to move this over. Oh, ES Oracle, but ES Oracle's a no for Friday, right? I was going to say that's in a short as well. Santa, that long is $700 right now. Fuck me. So clearly, so while I wasn't in any, but the Santa, I wonder. All right, let's see if we move down here. I'm going to leave it as it is. But honestly, I need to just be aware. See, and I don't like when it does this. All right. All right. I'm still in this short on the other one. We'll have to see. I didn't know if it was NQ new or not. We'll see if we come back down. I don't mind that 417. I think target was like 420 or something. This area is not ideal. It is not ideal in any sense. 417. Let me see what this target is here on this. Give me one moment. This. All right, it's 25, 26. That's fine. Good morning. All right, so I have it at 25. Target was like 26. So just leave it here. So, but the Santa run, and this is how Santa can be so great. Santa was green, $750. So I was not in it because, again, I had a swapping issue, which is my fault. But I could have been in a $700 long on Santa, moved up my stop loss or closed it out, and made $700 in that one trade with one mini, risking $200. That's the risk on Santa. $200. I wonder if Mike got that run.
Order submitted.
Alright, we're at 500 again. Let's see what happens here. Like, nobody else, like, I think everybody wants to get out of the 400s. I'm going to have to cut this trade. So, obviously, I don't have a
Order
stop
submitted.
on here, only because I had swapped out of both trades. Like, I was in a short, and then I got put in a long. So, they just took both of each other out. And I was in nothing, and then I manually got in this short. So, I'm keeping an eye on it, but I will have to stop it sometime soon up here. So, I just added my own stop loss. Oh, Santa might take a short. Do you see Santa flagging on that yellow arrow? See that yellow arrow? Listen, come back down to 417, okay? 417 is what I'm looking for a bounce. 420, 417. So the first trade on Santa was a long, green over $750.
Order filled.
All right, moving back down. Oh, he probably doesn't have his thing on.
Order filled. Order submitted.
That just triggered this because I had the other Santa in, so now I have a second. See if we can drop under this 78. 78's a level. All right, let's see if we get this 418 that I wanted since 7 a.m. Back down to entry. Paid 65, and then 55, and then 25. Sorry, I was answering questions in the group.
Order filled.
There we go. All right, 400 on this short. I already locked up whatever it was, 100. What was the original target on this? 27 or something? I'm going to bring my... Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's that 55. It's got to break 55 if we want to get to 25. Go. Go. There's 50. There we go. Remember, ultimately, I want 418. Could I move this down to 418? I could. But I'm going to leave it where the strategy had the target, which was like 26, 27. 600 on this short. And normally it wouldn't trail like this either. I'm essentially doing that. You can always do this on any of the bots. This is why we say they are
Order
hands
filled.
on, or like
Order
they're
canceled.
100% automated, but when Apex says, are you able to, track yours and do it yourself, the answer is always yes. You can move your stop loss, you can move your target. You don't have to, that has nothing to do with it. Kevin, I see you on TikTok. Kevin is all over. Follow Jen. Tap that screen like a million times. Tap, tap, tap. We need Jen at 10,000 likes. I'm going to have to turn off this.
Order submitted.
See, I don't want this. I'm going to have to turn this off.
Order filled.
All right, I turned off Santa. I'm going to have to re-enable it. New. Yes. This one. I'm going to put Santa on Sim now, since I really can't overlap it on these other strategies. I'm going to have to put it on a different account, or I'm going to have to just put them on micros. Okay. I got it resolved. Oh, but what I can do, since I put it on that, alright, I put it on that sim, the scalper one. Santa's all along. Where's Tay? They need a Are You Shy? Tay Tay, what is your name? What is your name in Slack? Trying to tag you. Is it this person? Are you Tay Tay on TikTok? I don't know. Hi, good morning. All right, so currently still just prices stuck. Yes, yes, yes. No surprise there. See if we can drop to that 418. Santa's in this long again.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm over on my other VPS, moving some things around on this. I got, Apex is doing an 80% sale right now, so if you want to get some more Apex accounts, they are back to having a sale. They didn't have a sale for like a few days. Oh, it's already 9:55. Ooh, we're at 70. See if we can get back under that 55. Santa keeps wanting to take these longs, and I don't mind it, but I would prefer that it goes down to that
Order submitted.
18.25 first. Remember, the risk on Santa is only $200, so it's pretty good when it comes to risk to reward. It's actually great because you're risking 200 and there's no target. Like you saw in that last trade, it went $700. So $700 on that one trade, $750, risking $200. That's great. That's more than 3 to 1. Santa is huge in November, December, and January. So that's why I put it back on my stuff so we can get a glimpse. Why does this keep copying like that? All right, cool. Taylor B. All right, let me tag Taylor B. Oh, there you go. Okay. Yeah, that's Tay Tay on TikTok. He's new to the group. I wanted to get him acquainted in the chat instead of in the TikTok chat when he had questions about the algo. Jen is showing this silver
Order filled.
Oracle green $500. All right, I'm okay with this. Santa just took a $200 loss there because remember, I still want that 418. I still want that 418. Price is so tight. It's 9:58. I am going to have to wrap it up here in a minute. I need to go take a shower. We'll see if my 418 comes. Kyle will be live on YouTube at 10:30. I apologize, I'm getting off early today. It's just I got to get some stuff done, and so I need to start my day off of the treadmill sooner. But every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 12:30 on YouTube. Also on TikTok from 9:30 to 12:30. Jen is 9:30 to 10:30. And then Kyle is 10:30 to 12:30 while he's on YouTube. Laura will also be live tonight, probably around 9 p.m. on TikTok. Her username is Trader Princess. So they're all users of the bots. They've all been with me for at least a year, if not 3 to 4 years. Like Kyle's been like a year and a half. Jen and Laura have both been with me since 2020. So I love them so much, and they're a great representation. I love FTT, but they were saying that you could have as many accounts as you want, and now they're saying it's 20 per household, which is what Apex does. And I'm like, damn it. Also, they need to pull my funds. I have like 5 approvals, and they're like, we'll pull your funds in 24 to 48 hours. They haven't pulled my funds yet. Like, pull my damn funds and pay me. Once they pull your funds, then you get the money 4 business days later in your Rise account. But then as soon as it's in Rise, you get it immediately. Let's see what the status is. Still says approved, not paid, so I'm assuming that means they haven't pulled it yet. Come on, FTT. And there's a few others that are not in the portal because... Sure thing, Taylor. Oh, you changed his picture. Oh, very cute picture. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to go take a shower. I hope you guys have a great day. Kyle will be live in 30 minutes on YouTube. Jen, go ahead and check Jen out. She's live on TikTok, boldbot_justjen. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for joining. Bye.